see.
What's up, boy? Push, come on. What's up? Fuck my boy.
Amir.
Amir.
Who's that?
Who am I? You don't know who I am?
Come here, let me show you the pictures, Amir. Maybe you can see.
No who? Who's my name? No.
Can you come inside here?
Come here. It's been a long time since I seen you, boy. Huh? Picking up and turn around for you. Big old silly kid, huh? Yeah, you are big. Missed you. Yeah. You don't even know who I am. You missed me already?
Can you put him down?
Long day?
Amir, who loves you? Who's that? Amir, no. Who loves you?
Mommy.
And who? Say it, Amir. Stop being so shy. Mommy and? And who is that?
I don't know.
Amir. Who is this? Who's that?
Daddy.
Stop, Amir, stop playing. Get up. Who loves you?
Daddy. Daddy.
Your daddy kiss? Your daddy kiss.
Now give daddy a kiss.
This is daddy, Amir.
What's up?
This is daddy.
Long time no see, kid. How you doing? Is he always this silly?
Yep.
I fell down.
Amir, stop being so silly. Who's that, Amir?
Daddy.
Yeah?
Let's pick up your pants. Let's fix your pants.
You happy to see daddy? Yeah?
Give me a hug.
I'm so silly.
I forgot my ball. I can't reach my ball.
Amir, you need to play with daddy first. Talk to daddy. Don't you miss daddy?
So what's up, Amir? I know it's kind of hard for you to gain. What's going on?
I'm about to that line.
I'll show
You
daddy
know
your
the man in the
toys
picture.
and your pictures.
We got
I want
plenty
to
of time
read
for
it.
that.
I want to read it now. I want to read it.
With the ball?
Uh-huh.
You like Spider-Man? You like ice cream? You
Yeah.
wanna get some ice cream? It's nice out.
Mm-hmm.
Put on your shoes, we go get some ice cream before I gotta go.
Okay.
Put your shoes on.
This is my shoes.
Wow.
Yep, that's Amir.